In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmatch transactions in Zoho Books. Whether you're refining your bookkeeping or correcting a previous entry, understanding how to unmatch transactions is essential. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. So, let's get started by diving into Zoho Books. First, we'll begin by navigating to the banking module, which you can find on the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This section is the hub for managing your financial transactions and connecting your bank accounts to the Zoho Books system. Once you're there, go ahead and choose the bank account where the transaction you want to adjust is located. This will ensure you're working within the right set of transactions. Now you'll be presented with a list of all transactions associated with that account. Look for the tab labeled All Transactions at the top of your screen. This tab provides a comprehensive view of every financial interaction that has been recorded. To streamline the process of finding a specific transaction, you should apply the Matched filter from the drop-down menu. This filter is handy because it specifically highlights the transactions that have already been paired with a bank statement line, making it easier for you to spot the transaction you need to review. As you browse through the filtered transactions, find the one that you'd like to unmatch. You can either hover your cursor over it or click directly on the transaction to get your next options. It's important to be sure of which transaction you're selecting here, since unmatching will alter how it appears in both your bank and accounting records. Once you've identified the right transaction, look for the Unmatch button and click it. This step is pivotal because it undoes the previous reconciliation action. Upon clicking Unmatch, the transaction status will change immediately. The bank statement line associated with it will revert to the uncategorized status. This means it's back in the queue, waiting to be categorized again. Simultaneously, the corresponding Zoho Books transaction will be marked as manually added. This indicates that while it's no longer matched with a bank statement line, you can still find the transaction in your records. By following these steps, you've successfully unmatched a transaction in Zoho Books, allowing you to recategorize or address any discrepancies that may have occurred. Unmatching transactions is just one part of managing your financial data effectively, and it helps keep your records as accurate as possible. It's always a good idea to regularly review your accounts to ensure everything is in order. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process clearer for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.